Hey guys, NoScope Knife here, doing a tutorial on creating a cracked Minecraft server. From the description you would have downloaded this zip folder called Cracked Bucket. You're going to want to open that up and you'll find one folder in here. And in that folder there'll be two files. So you need to drag this folder to wherever you want to store your server. I'm just doing it desktop because it's easy. And then basically you're going to want to open up this folder here. So we're going to go ahead and open up the start.bat file, and this is going to come up and it's going to make a bunch of other folders in here. So once that's come up, you can just close this, and now to make it cracked you'll get a server.properties file. You're going to want to open that. You might have to go open with and then find like Notepad or WordPad, depends what you want to open it with. Just going to open it with WordPad right now. Alright, and this is what you'll see. Level name, you can name it whatever you want. Just going to call it NoScope Knives Cracked Server. If you want the nether, make this true or false. It's gonna keep mine at true. Your view distance. If you want monsters, I'm making mine false. So you just have to type false where it says true. Now this one, the online mode, this is where you make it cracked or not. Keeping it true will allow people to join who have bought the game. If you change it to false, it doesn't check if people have bought the game or not. PvP is player versus player, so if you want to be able to attack other people that join your server, you have that as true. I want mine as false. Allow flight, keep that as false. Alright, now to get the server IP, this part right here, this is what you will use to join the server. So you're going to want to go up and open CMD, just hit the Windows button, type CMD, and you'll get this here. And when you're here, you just want to type IP config, just like that, no spaces, hit enter, and it'll come up with all this stuff. And you look for where it says IPv4 address. And then you'll have, it depends, it's different for everyone. It's usually going to be 192.168.0. something. It'll depend how many computers you have on your network, but that's what you're going to want to put right here. So 192.168.0. your number. Sometimes you might have a number 1 here, it depends. Alright, and to get the IP address for other people to join your server, you're going to want to go up and open the internet, Google IP chicken, open it up, and that's the IP address right there. I'm blocking mine from you guys at the moment because I don't want like heaps of people joining my servers. But this right here can change if you don't have a static IP set up. I might make a tutorial on that later, but you might need to send this out, like go onto IP chicken regularly and tell people the name of the server, what they type in the Minecraft multiplayer section. Okay, now if no one can join your server, you're going to have to forward your port for Minecraft. The port to forward is here, 25565. You can change that if you want. I think I've never touched that, just to be sure. If you don't know how to forward ports, you can go to portforward.com. It'll tell you how to do it for Minecraft. It'll show your IP. It's got a bunch of routers here that you just pick yours and it'll just show you how to do it. Pretty simple. Alright, now let's start the server. So you're gonna wanna make sure this is saved, and make sure everything there is how you want it before you save it. And we're gonna, every time you want to start the server, you're gonna have to open the start.bat file. So we'll do that. And also in here you'll see you can add the plugins with Bukkit, ban players, ban their IP, the OPs, like ops, like there's kind of like admin sort of thing. You can change, there's pretty good settings here that you can change, edit how you want. A whitelist means whatever you put in there, those are the only people that can join the server. So it's kind of like banning everyone but certain people. Oh, right here, in the command prompt, you'll see preparing the spawn area. It will do it twice. If you've selected that you want to do the nether, because the nether, you know, it's like a whole new level. You guys have probably been there before, making a portal, go to the nether. And so when that's done, you're gonna need to go into Minecraft and into the multiplayer section, and when you join, you need to type the 192, the 168, and then your last numbers. But when anyone else needs to join, they need to put in the address there that they got from IP Chicken. Alright, right here it's done. You can type help if you want, and you can view all the commands you can kick people, ban, unban, teleport, that's TP right there, give player things, you know, save the whole, you know, there's lots of options to do there. So we'll just hit connect, logging in, download the train, and look, we're playing. And now if you forward the ports, done everything right, everyone else can join your game. Please like the video if it's helped.